This is the new Saniflo toilet system. Comes right out of the back through the wall.
What are you doing down here?
Here's the back side of the Saniflo. Here's the grinder pump. After it grinds, it shoots up this 3/4 inch flex pipe. I have a shut-off valve here for service. Shoots up the 3/4 PVC, goes out and ties into sanitary pipe that goes out for sewage. Here's the exhaust portion coming out of the grinder pump. Have it tied into the exhaust that I have for my sink. Here's the 3/4 coming in. I have tied into a Y going to my sanitary. Ties into the sewage for everything else. It's just a 3/4 inch conduit into, I believe, a 2 inch PVC.